Hello, class. My name is Dr. Kennedy Paron, and we will be talking about 4.4. So that's chapter 4, section 4, the postpartum period. So what is postpartum? Postpartum means after birth. This refers to the weeks that lead up after birth. Many women experience sadness in this time, and it can also be referred to as the baby blues. This is very common, as 7 in 10 mothers experience the sadness. That would be 7 mothers in every 10 births, or 70% of mothers who give birth. So what kind of psychological problems do women encounter in the postpartum period? We just spoke of baby blues. There's also the postpartum depression, postpartum anxiety, and postpartum psychosis. So first, baby blues. Researchers believe that baby blues are actually caused by changing hormone levels after birth. So steroid levels peak in the process of labor, and then they drop within a few hours post-birth. This creates an emotional state of vulnerability. Baby blues usually last 10 days post-birth and are usually not severe. Next, we're going to talk about postpartum depression, or PPD. This is a severe, prolonged depression that affects 10 to 20% of women after delivery, characterized by extreme sadness and feelings of worthlessness. Contrast with baby blues, which is more common and milder. So 1 in 7 women who give birth have PPD. This is a feeling of sadness and hopelessness that can last weeks or months after delivery and can be severe. Researchers feel that this is caused by a mix of psychological and physiological facts, especially the drop in estrogen that happens after birth. So PPD continued, and also PPP. So it's also impacted by the bond the mother and the baby share. If the mother has PPD, for an example, they might have trouble attaching to the baby. Next, we're going to talk about postpartum psychosis. This is more rare, as 1 in every 1,000 new moms have this. Mothers with this may experience delusional thoughts, and may put themselves or their baby at risk, unfortunately, of death. So how critical is parental interaction for the neonate with the formation of bonds and attachment? So first, we'll discuss bonding. So bonding is the process of forming bonds of attachment between a parent and child. Bonding is very important for the development of a child because they learn and grow from their parents' example. So this is a very essential process to the well-being of the child. Parent-child bonding can be very complex, as children know their parents and parents know their children, but they may not know how to interact and bond. This is an essential part of the well-being, as I stated before, so they need to understand how to bond with their children and vice versa. This can take time. So children know their parents' sounds, odors, and also their parental style of caring. Severe depression can unfortunately hinder these bonds from forming, such as women who have PPD or PPP. And next, we'll be going on to chapter 4.5, characteristics of neonates. See you soon.